Hi, it's Nick James here, and I'm the owner of TargetedLeadFinder. Welcome along to this demo tutorial video that will show you how powerful this software is at targeting custom audiences on Facebook. Okay, once you've licensed your software and you've attached it to your Facebook account so it can use the Facebook API, all you need to do is type in a keyword into the main search box. And what we're going to do here, let's start on the left. We're going to search with groups, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a niche on family history. Okay, so it'll work with some IM related things. It'll also work with any niche as well. So we're going to search by keyword, and we're going to search groups on Facebook. Screen will flash up. That'll log into my Facebook account, and then we start using the Facebook API. What's happening now is that TargetedLeadFinder is going out to Facebook and it's finding groups to do with the keyword or the key phrase family history. You'll notice what's loading up down here is a lot of results. We can see the group name, the description of the group, how many members in that group, the URL to the group, and what we can then do is click on these headings to sort them by sort of the largest number to the smallest number, or alphabetically, or what have you. We can then click on a page here to view that group URL, so we can have a look and see what the page is about. But most importantly here, look at this. You can click on this button to save all the membership IDs of everyone that's in that Facebook group. So there we go. We've got 889 people for the DuPont family history. Click on save, and it's going to save a CSV file to our computer. And there it is. That's all 889 Facebook IDs, which you can upload into the Power Editor of Facebook using the Google Chrome plugin. But if that wasn't enough, look at this one. We can find passionate members of a group. I'm going to include the names and the email addresses, the Facebook email addresses of those same people. But what I want to do is I want to use a clever algorithm that we've worked out to make sure only the people that are the most vocal, based on their commenting history, their likes, their posts, their dislikes, are actually going to be found. These are the passionate users. So we found 267 of the original 800 are real powerful users. So let's open that, let's save it to our computer, and let's go and have a look at those. And you'll see that TargetedLeadFinder has now found the emails, the names, and the user IDs of all those people in that group. The final thing we'll show you is power players. Now, what's a power player? I'll do exactly the same search and extract that CSV file and download it to my computer as well. A power player, think of them as being a super affiliate, somebody that you really want to joint venture with because they have got great contacts and a huge following online. Maybe you want to send them a free copy of your product, something like that. Let's open that file up. We've got 19 targeted super affiliates that we can go out to. Now, perhaps what we can do with those people is give them a free copy of our product, ask them for a testimonial, get them to talk about it on Facebook or what have you. So that's just using the groups feature. Now imagine you can do the same thing with events. Let's search family history events. TargetedLeadFinder goes out back to Facebook and looks for all the events that are now taking part with family history. And we can do the same thing again. We can save ID numbers, email addresses. We can look for the passionate members, the power players, but more importantly now as well with the events, we can actually download everything from all 20 of our results if we want to, using the bulk export function up here. Finally, you can do the same thing with pages as well. Let's go and search for family history pages. So all three of these searches are using a keyword. Okay, the keyword that you put into the box across the top. When you see the spinning round logo, it's still going out to Facebook and retrieving that data. That's what it's doing right now. And with pages, it's going to tell us how many total likes the page has got, how many active users it's got. It's returning 50 rows of data for me at the moment, as you can see down in this bottom corner. But let's go and sort the data by the number of active users. Wow, look at this one up here. I'm not sure how relative it is. We have to look down and maybe just make sure everything we've got down here is actually as relative as we want. I'm not sure how Enjoy Sexy Life managed to get in there, but there we go. So you put in the keyword, it'll bring back the results for you. But that's not the only thing. The other thing is, if you want to, you can search by group. If you know a group page, maybe somebody in your industry has put on an event or they've got a group and you know the Facebook URL of that group, how powerful would it be for you to actually type in that URL of the group you're specifically interested in and advertise to the members of that group or the people that went to that event, which is the other option you can click on up here as well. And finally, under options, it just says, how many results do you want to go out and find? 50 to 500 using that little slidey bar. Well, listen, this is a very short 6-minute demonstration about how powerful the Targeted Lead Finder is. If you'd like to go ahead, make your purchase today. We've got a special offer for you as well. If you've got any questions, please let me know and continue reading the rest of this webpage. Thanks for stopping by, and I know that the Targeted Lead Finder is going to be good for your business. Thanks for watching.